Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's getting so cold outside, like the temperature just dropped so suddenly. I'm starting to wear like my hoodies and my sweatshirts and all my comfortable stuff because it's getting so cold. But I came to the realization like last week that I have really been neglecting on my self-care. School has always been one of my top priorities. I just feel like with everything going on, semester is about to be over with, the election, and not to mention coronavirus as well. There's been a lot going on and I've just been kind of focused on other things. So I decided, why not do a self-care day where I just kind of devote it to myself, like doing my nails, my toenails, my facial stuff, and my hair. So today I'm going to be going to Walmart and I'm going to take you guys with me to buy some things for my self-care day. So I'm about to head out for the day. First, I had to grab my mask, of course, and I have to get my keys and everything. And we're going to head to Walmart first. So I think I'm going to get these French tip ones because they're cute, plain and simple. And I don't want anything too dramatic, so I'll go with these. So I got my stuff from Walmart in this bag. I also picked up some Subway because I'm hungry too. So now I'm on the way back to my apartment to start my self-care. I'm so excited, like really excited to be doing this. So I just got back from Walmart. I got my little robe on. My hair looks different than it did this morning because before I put mask in, I always just kind of like fluff my hair and try to detangle with my fingers to make it less tangled in the shower. Let go of any tension that might be in my hair, so that's why it's kind of big right now. And I picked up a lot of self-care things for hair, skin, and nails. But the hair mask that I went for today, I picked up the Aussie 3-Minute Smooth and the Carol's Daughter Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. I've used the Carol's Daughter before, but I haven't really used the 3-Minute Smooth by Aussie. I think I've used the 3-Minute Moist or something like that. So I think that I'm going to try this one today just to see how moisturizing it is for my hair. So I'm going to jump in the shower, wet my hair, detangle with the mask, and leave the mask in probably for about 10 minutes while I'm doing the rest of my self-care stuff. Okay, so I just hopped out the shower. As y'all can see, hair's wet, like real wet right now. And I have the hair mask with me right now. I like the consistency of it. Just gonna rub that in my hands. Apply this into my hair. Detangle my hair. Okay, so now that I got my hair mask in, I'm gonna put a microfiber towel on my head because that's going to keep my hair from drying too quickly and it's going to keep the moisture in. So I got my towel on. Now on to face care, and then once I have my mask on my face, I'm going to start with my nails because they're looking rough. We have to fix these too. I might do my brows, I don't know, because I do have tools for brows already here. I've been breaking out too. And I just feel like it's because I haven't really paid enough attention to my skincare. So we gotta do better on that. The mask I'm using today is by Freeman. It's the Rejuvenating Cucumber Pink Salt Clay Mask. This is the packaging of it. So I'm gonna start by putting a little bit in my hands and then just kind of spreading it on my face. So I just took off my towel and off camera I went ahead and kind of rinsed my hair out actually in the sink because I had my mask on. I didn't want to get in the shower and mess my mask up. So I rinsed my hair in the sink and kind of just put a little bit of product in it. That hair mask, you're only supposed to leave it in for about 3 minutes, and I didn't want to go over because I just didn't want to do too much. Another thing I bought from Walmart is a growth oil. And as y'all know, I big chopped my hair, so I'm still in the process of growing it out. So I went and bought an oil, and I'm going to put that on my scalp and make it feel more moisturized. So my mask was really getting tight on my face, and I took it off with my Aveeno Clear Complexion Cleanser. and my spin brush, and my skin feels really soft right now. All that I have left to do is moisturize, so I'm going to put on my moisturizer. So here are the nails I got, the Kiss ones in French tip, and it's really easy application. I've used them before, so I'm very familiar with the way that they work. Just take them out the package, and you're going to find basically the best fit for your nail. So the thumb is always one of the biggest nails, obviously, on the finger. So you're going to put the biggest nail on that one, and so on. And just match all of your nails, so that way everything looks uniform and just really professional. So I just got finished with my nails. It's just plain, like, cute French tip. I just wanted something simple, and it feels so weird having nails again. I haven't had them or haven't done them in a long time because nails sometimes just make you feel so put together. While I was at Walmart, I picked up like an eyebrow razor thing. I love these because they're so easy to use. So I'll get hair often in between my brows. So I'll just kind of shave that off. I don't like to mess with my brows too much myself, but normally I just like pull some hairs out if they're not how I like them to be, and then I'll just kind of shape this up here. But that was pretty much everything. I did my hair. Hair feels soft. Skincare, did my nails, and I feel really put together right now. Okay, so that was my entire self-care day video or routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this really motivates everybody to just take a day and just care for yourself, whether that means doing what I just did or maybe going outside or just doing something you love to do for yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.